There's been a lot of excitement in the office today. We've just taken delivery of an off-grid solution for a couple out at Camilla. It was going to cost them an astronomical amount of dollars to get an ergon connection to their property. So after a consultation with us, they've decided to go with an off-grid solution using really high quality products, which is basically going to get them through most of the year utilizing their solar and their battery storage. And for the times where they're using a little bit more power during the day, whether the air cons are running, they're running a welder, stuff like that, we've got our backup generator as well there for times when it's rainy and cloudy and we're simply not charging those batteries. So stay tuned and let's reveal this amazing product.